This chalet wasn't actually where we were supposed to be staying. We'd booked a stay at the brand new Mouses House Lodge here in Springbrook. But just before our trip, we found out it wasn't quite going to be ready in time. Instead, they offered to upgrade us to one of their luxury spa and steam chalets. Seeing we'd never stayed at the Mouses houses before, we decided, why not? We would go check it out and see what we thought of the place. So come with us today as we'll show you around the resort, our chalet, the new lodge that's being built, and what we thought of the place overall, and whether we'll be coming back to stay at the new lodge. The temporary reception is just here while they're building the new lodge. And trolleys to take all your luggage down to your cabin. There's a sign to all the cabins. It's Sleepy, Sneezy, Dopey, Happy. And Doc, Snow White, Grumpy, Wicked Witch, and Bashful. And ours is down that way. Little walkway down to our cabin. We're looking for Snow White. That way. Ah. Snow White. So this place here is really quite beautiful. You can probably hear the creek behind me. So we checked into our cabin. We have the Snow White cabin. It has a own little balcony area with a barbecue and eating area. And then you can come down and we have our little spa bath, if it's ever warm enough, with our view out to the creek. And inside we have a beautiful cozy fireplace. There's plenty of room in there. We have a lounge area. They have Netflix on the TV. It's fully self-contained, so it has a kitchen, so you can able to cook your food because there's not really anything around here at the moment. We also have a spa bath in the bathroom, which is really nice. A nice big bathroom, shower, big rain head, view looking out into the rainforest, and then of course the nice big queen bed. There's also a television in this room, electric blankets on the bed, which you need here. But let's go explore around the resort. I'll turn the camera around so you can see you can probably already see the creek, but it'll give you a better view. So here's the spa, and there's the walkway leading up to the cabin. And then off this little deck, you have your own little staircase, which will be great in summer. Go down to the water. And then the the waterfall is flowing after all the rain we had last night. A reception area. Maybe the bar down there. Views out there to the rainforest. This is the back of the lodge. This will be where the outdoor dining is going to be, which will be so nice, overlooking the rainforest. Not sure what this part is. Maybe a hall. And there's the tennis courts. I'll go check out what's down this pathway. Oh, there's another cabin there. That's Belle. Oh, Sleeping Beauty. There's another one here. King Louis. You can just see down to our cabin down there in this bridge. And there's another cabin over there. This was our favourite part, sitting out here near the creek, so we thought it would be the perfect spot to try out the drone, see if we could capture what was around us. What could possibly go wrong? Drone's working. Haven't lost it yet.
Sometimes it leaves it in there.
Oh, the sun is out. With the drone now out of action, we decided to go explore some of the local lookouts and walks. There's many in the area, some a lot longer than others, some you can drive right up to, but lots of beautiful places to go and see. Overall, we enjoyed our stay here at Springbrook. It is a beautiful area, and there's something special about coming in winter, having the rainforest all around and being able to curl up in front of the fireplace. It is a bit of a long and windy road to get up here, and not a lot of options for dining, but we're looking forward to seeing the new restaurant open up with the lodge. We think we will come back and try the lodge once it's finished, but we'll just do it on a weeknight so we can stay one night and see what we think. But for now, this is a nice way to finish our Springbrook escape. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.